Invitational proudly presents the next band of the competition. It's Hope High School Marching Band. The directors and staff include Kristen Davis, Mia Davis, Woody Boyd, Brian Silva, Sean Ray, Autumn Davila, Emily Ward, and Damian Richmond. The title of their 2024 show, Juno. The Legacy Marching Invitational is proud to present in finals performance drum majors Jair Soldalgo, Jolise Lopez, Addison McEwen, and the Sound of Hope Marching Band.
Myth has it, many years ago in India, the goddess Juno had a deep love for all creation. She was summoned by a weeping bird. She asked, "Bird, why do you weep?" The bird replied, "I am not as fair as the others, and my heart is pure." Please make me as beautiful on the outside as I am on the inside. Juno peered into the soul of the bird and was filled with sorrow. "You have such a beautiful heart and yet treat it so unfair," said Juno. The bird continued to weep. "This has been my entire existence. Make me favorable to look upon." Juno then bestowed upon the bird a beautiful crown.